Hi, it's Karen from Simply Said with Karen, and today I have a very short video to show you Woven Threads Heirloom Frames Dies in 3D Embossing Folders. This is part of the Woven Thread Suite, which you can find on page 12, 13, 14. These are really unique, these two. They work together, and you can have so much fun with them. I'm just going to show you how to emboss and cut with them. There are two die cuts. One is a rectangle, one's an oval, and when you cut it, the circle will get out, or the cutout, or the rectangle will get cut out. And after you cut them, you can put them through the embossing folder and get this beautiful embossed image around the rectangle or the oval. There's the rectangle, there's the oval, there's the two dies, and you buy this all together as one piece. Let me just get my die cutting machine in. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to die cut. This is just like normal. Put your cardstock on the platform. My piece of paper cardstock is 3 1/8 by 4 1/8, and it needs to fit perfectly, otherwise you get a lip on it, and then it doesn't go through the embossing folder very well. There tends to be a lip on it. So I'm going to put a piece of washi tape there, and I'll just grab my other cutting plate. And here we go. So just get rid of the rectangle in the middle. That can go into your scrap bin. And then just get the piece of paper out of your die cut. Easier said than done. My paper piercer, and just get it lifted at a corner here. Now we can emboss this, and to do the embossing, because this is a 3D dynamic or just a 3D die, you don't need a cutting plate, you just need the Big Shot platform. Here's the embossing folder. This is the front, so you want to lay your front of your cut piece right in there. I'm just going to add a bit of washi tape to hold it. Now there's a line down here that you can use to make sure that cardstock is straight in the embossing folder. Looks good. Put it down here, and because it's the 3D embossing folder, we're going to use the 3D embossing folder plate to emboss it. So here we go. So here is the embossing frame, and now you can put anything you'd like in there. If you want to put some designer series paper or put an image inside there to make a frame. And in fact, if you want to frame a picture, you can use this to do that as well. Just put your picture inside the frame, and there it is. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you need any information, you can always get a hold of me at Karen@simplysaidwithkaren.com. Check out my blog, www.simplysaidwithkaren.com. I look forward to seeing you. And as I look at this, I might have to trim this end just a bit. So long, and thank you for joining me.